So this is US oil analysis for Thursday, 2nd of November. Now, let's just have a look what happened on the 1st of November. So on the 1st of November, we're just here. We're having a bit of a bull flag form. We're saying we're waiting for prices to get up to 55.21 and we'll see our price react to 55.21. Now, price to get as high as 55.19, which is close to 55.21, so we could take that as actually getting up to the 55.21, and we saw some selling momentum coming to the market, pretty sizable selling momentum from 55.21 all the way down to the 54, well, below 54 level. Now, as 55.21 is a very strong level, we could potentially, let's have a look what we might potentially see. We might see a retracement. May not get back all the way up to 55.21 before we see a breakdown and a test of 53.54. If we do hold 53.54, could potentially see prices move all the way back up to this 55.21 for another retest and a possible break. Now, to the downside of, again, we've mentioned 53.54, below which we've got 52.79, below which we've got 52.22. All levels where we could potentially see a bounce in prices if we do retrace that far down. We do have an OPEC meeting in the month of November, which is this month, so we could get further direction on oil. Now, if they do agree to uphold cuts or extend cuts, again, that should be oil bullish, and we could potentially see price heading towards $60 a barrel. Now, if we do break above this 55.21, I think the very next level is going to be in around this 58.32. But that is quite a bit away, so we'll have to see how prices react to 55.21, whether we can get a breakout of 55.21, or if we do see a further breakdown in prices until we do get a fundamental catalyst to give the market greater direction. So we're just going to have a look at the weekly time frame before we wrap this up. So on this weekly time frame, we can see here that we are in a pretty clear uptrend. You can see there. We've had a few pullbacks along the way, but we've been in a very, I wouldn't say it's a very strong trend, but we've been in a trend nonetheless. So we are testing the top of the range in around 55.21. As you can see here on the chart, we are testing the 55.21, and we do have our downside targets if we break down in prices. So if we do break out, we could see an extended, what I keep mentioning, extended run. We could see a run towards $60 a barrel. Now, just going to get that off, and we're just going to have a look at the daily chart before we wrap up here. So on the daily chart, just waiting for this to load. So on the daily chart, we're in a clear uptrend. We've got a series of higher lows in around the pullbacks, and broke above this psychological level in around 52.22. And we are trading in let's just see. We have put in something similar to a pin bar. It's not quite a pin bar for yesterday's candle. So possible move down to 53.54, finding support before another bull flag continuation pattern to the upside. So that should wrap up the US oil analysis. Overall, we are bullish on oil based on the structure, based on how prices are developing. We've had a bit of a pullback from 55.21, so we may see probably a deeper retracement from 55.21 as it is a large psychological level. But overall, our bias is to the long side. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.